Nature will bear the closest inspection. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. Mere goodness can achieve little against the power of nature. The poetry of the earth is never dead. Clouds symbolize the veils that shroud God. Nature, like man, sometimes weeps from gladness. May your trails be crooked, winding, lonesome, dangerous, leading to the most amazing view. Death is the ugly fact which nature has to hide, and she hides it well. Nature is something outside our body, but the mind is within us. All the universe is full of the lives of perfect creatures.